I'm guessing that if you are in sales or trying to get new customers, you're facing a very expensive problem. What's the problem? The problem that salespeople and business owners are being ignored. You just cannot seem to get meetings with potential clients. And when you finally get hold of someone, they say something like, "No thanks, not now, click." So, how do you then stand out from a sea of the sameness? It's a very, very, very big challenge. Now, all the salespeople and all the professionals are swimming in the same sea. You are competing for a specific market's time, attention, trust, and budget. But let's say you are a digital agency selling programmatic ads. These ads will benefit your clients because they will promote more accurate targeting, and your clients can effectively reach specific audience at the right place and the right time. So every salesperson might say something like this: "Hi, Mr. Client so-and-so. My name is Charles, calling from ABC Media. We provide amazing digital marketing solutions. We are a team of highly qualified professionals, and we've helped hundreds of clients, and we have the best solution in South Africa. We would like to meet up with you sometime. Can I give you a free quote?" That is a very, very standard communication that I receive on a weekly basis from businesses. And I'm sorry to say, 99% of the time I just click delete. The message has been done to death. Okay, so if you watch the video up to this point, it means that you want to stand out. You're willing to try a different approach. Now I want you to try this one with your next sales call, and you might just get a yes. "Good morning, Mr. Client. My name is Charles, and I'm contacting you because when I started my current sales position in November 2019, it was a big transition. New products, new team, and new culture. I was very, very anxious. I wanted to impress my new teammates and my clients, of course. So I did the best research possible regarding each client before phoning them. Your past campaign, your potential thinking, your potential growth behind it, it took me 3 weeks to get hold of my first client. Now, when I eventually did, I could speak to them at their level, like I was the one running the actual campaign. The client was so impressed, they agreed to a meeting straight away. And you know what? That was 6 months ago, and we continue to do business today. I believe my clients trust me because I ask the good questions. I'm able to really, really understand their business pain and their objectives. I'm able to help my clients reach and engage the right audience at the right time in the right buying cycles. And that is what my company excels at. We offer you less wastage on an already tight budget. We take the pressure off delivering results. And you know what? I would love to do this for you too. Let's set up a 30-minute call on Wednesday. How does that sound? Now, if you found that message inviting, let me break it down, the elements for you, so you can do the same. Number 1, simplicity. It is easy to grasp, no fancy jargon used. Number 2, authenticity. It is genuine. It comes from a real experience that is from the heart. And it doesn't sound like a sales pitch. Number 3, relevancy. From all your research and prep work, you really understand what the potential client is going through on a daily basis. So you can provide a solution to their pain. You can actually deliver results. Now here's a bonus story of how to stand out from the crowd. Abigail, she is the top sales person at the company, and when she cannot get hold of a client, she buys low price baby shoes and deliver them to client's office. And then she attaches a business card on the baby shoes with a handwritten note. "Just trying to get my foot in the door."
Hello, thank you so much for watching the video. I know you definitely received some awesome value. It will really help if you could click on the subscribe button to show your support. And please also share it with one person that can benefit from this content. See you in the next video. Bye.